What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, blockchain technology, and so on. We can go over the news, we can go over the price action, but in no way should this video be interpreted as anything else. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I discussing what is going on in the crypto world, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in the video. Now, right now, like I said at the beginning, prices are rising. This is very good as we're rebounding off of these fresh lows, even though or despite all of the political uncertainty that's going on out there and all of the disputes that are going on across the globe. But I'm going to focus in on Shiba Inu coin and the news surrounding it in the video today. And it says Ethereum is monitoring Shiba Inu coin as Binance's top users split 50-50 in long and short positions, reflecting cautious sentiment ahead of March. It says Shiba Inu coin is entering March with an unusual balance among top Binance traders. Data from the exchange shows that the top 20 users split almost evenly between long and short positions. This comes after February's turbulent close, marked by double-digit losses across many cryptocurrencies, and the token's current stance among elite traders reflects indecision rather than a clear directional bias. And that's interesting, because with extreme fear plaguing the market, you would think that the bias would be to the downside. That would make sense. Fear drives selling. Fear drives losses. Fear drives declines. But 50% of the traders are now long, and only 50% are short. So I do believe that this is still indicative, like it says, of indecision, of caution. People don't know what's happening. But it's interesting, because the fear should logically be causing a bias to the downside, or a bias to short positions. But has a bottom been hit? Traders don't think that the downside is going to continue much longer. Traders don't think that the fear is going to cause even more declines. Traders are starting to view this as an opportunity to buy. And that's why we're starting to level the playing field. This is, in my opinion, okay, this could be one of the best signs that we're seeing. We've got all of this uncertainty and fear going on in the globe. The market is just shrouded in extreme fear and has been for months. But we're starting to see more buys pull in. And the fact that more buys are pulling in despite all of this uncertainty could be one of the strongest, most bullish signs that we have seen in a very long time. It says, according to Binance, the top 20 traders with the highest margin balances show near parity in their SHIB positions. Around 48.9% hold shorts, while 51.08% hold long positions, yielding a long-short ratio of just 1.04. When measured by position size, shorts slightly edge out longs as 50.05 versus 49.95. Binance noted this indicates the platform's most significant accounts do not share unified views on Shiba Inu coin's immediate price movement. The equilibrium contrasts Shiba Inu coin's historical trends in March. In 2024, the token recorded a notable rally, closing the month up 145%. Such performance is rarely repeated, and top traders may be cautious, splitting their positions in anticipation of volatile market behavior. Guys, we're 2 days into March right now. Look, March of 2025 did not fare as well as March of 2024. I don't know how March of 2026 is going to play out. But the top holders of cryptocurrency on the Binance platform are splitting their positions in case Shiba Inu coin, the rest of the market, does begin to run, and that is exactly what we're seeing play out at the beginning of the month so far. Almost $69,200 Bitcoin, $2,050 Ethereum. All of this is nice, but the green is what's going to inspire investors. And if we can ignore the fear, if we can push on, and if we can continue to accumulate, I believe we will see very good results.